Alright, so you can probably see the title of the video. I know I haven't really driven the other one kind of at all. We were trying to do some Indian stuff with the title, but I'm gonna go look at another Bentley today. So hopefully this one's nice, and I guess you'll see like later what we're gonna do with it. But we'll see. It should be nice. It's another cheap one, as usual, you know me, so we'll see. Hopefully it's a nice car. I have the Autel. Luis is not here today, but I have him on speed dial. I have the Autel, so hopefully the car is nice, and I'll try and film as much as I can when I get there. Alright, so I'm scanning the codes on the car right now, and there's kind of a lot of codes, and it's a little bit rougher in person than I thought. I'll show you a little bit. Yeah, the car's a little rough, which, look, it's listed for 12.5. We're gonna see. I mean, the car's a little rough. Just like weird stuff. It's just like some I guess that's the paint's just bad. That's actually cracked. I don't know. So yeah, the car's a little bit rougher than I thought. Granted, it's cheap, so I didn't expect much. But I mean, there's just like weird stuff that's like missing, like some of that stuff. So maybe there was a dog in the car. Yeah. So that's 100% of the codes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quick erase all the codes. I already looked at a lot of them, but I got out of the screen on accident. I think I have to turn the car off and be in ignition on and then do this. ABS came on and off. I think it just... Okay, it's erasing on them right now while turning. I'm gonna key off. I want the ignition on though. Maybe I shouldn't do this while it's doing that. Okay, yeah. That's key on. So I'm gonna let that erase and hopefully it works. And so yeah, the plan is I'm gonna let it erase all the codes, hopefully, and then turn the car back on and maybe do a test drive and see what comes back. But yeah, I mean, it's a little rough, but the back seats are nice enough. So, and that's really like what I'm concerned with, just for the use of the car. So I'm not too worried about it. As long as mechanically it's solid, we should be good. I don't know how this works. Hold on. Alright, so we got the deal done. I didn't really film too much. It was like misfiring and had like a whole bunch of codes and stuff. I didn't really know how to work the Autel. I was trying my best. But I got the deal done for $9,500, which I think is pretty good, and safe to say that's probably the cheapest Bentley in the country again. So I'll show more of the car once I get it back home. We're going to eat right now, and then there's a tow truck coming to pick it up and flatbed it to my house. So, and then we also got to go register the white Bentley today, and like maybe this one as well. So we'll see what happens. But we're gonna go eat. I'm still waiting on the tow truck. I got the car for $9,500, which I think is a good deal. I think if I got it for $9,000, it would have been better, but I think I'm still in the green paying $9,500 for it. So I'm happy, and I don't know. I mean, the car was a little rough. It was a little rougher than I was expecting and than I thought, but it was also listed for $12,500. So $9,500, I'm not too upset about it. So I'll let you guys know when I get the car back and how everything's going with that. Alright, so the car's up on the tow truck. We're getting it towed back because I couldn't really get his plate, and it's a Jersey car, so I can't just go to a tag and title place. So I guess when I get it back home, I'm gonna drive it to my local tags and title place with no plate, which it's whatever. If they pull me over, it's whatever. I have title and everything, so should be fine, so I guess we're gonna get on our way back. I don't know where Adam went, but I told him to come back so we can leave. Because we've been fucking sitting here for a while, and I'm about ready to go home. Alright, so I finally got the Bentley home. I know it's dark. I know the video wasn't that great because I didn't film all that much, but I got the car back. And if it'll stop complaining, I'll show you. How do I turn this on? It's, see, there's some cosmetic issues with it, like this shit. I guess I could theoretically use that screen. I couldn't see it in the daytime, but it's fine. Obviously that is missing. That's in here, I think. It's broken, but it's in here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I mean, it looks like somebody might have tried to plastic weld or super glue it at some point. We'll see. I mean, the important thing is, got the car home, and I should be able to fix it. We have tons of lights going on. I don't know what happened to these screens. This one like kind of works, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. The car is not too bad, and honestly, the back seats are good. That's where people are gonna be sitting in the car, so I think that's what's important. How do you unlock this? Yeah, the back seats are good, so I think that's what's important. Dude. Oh man, yeah, that doesn't work. I guess that will probably needs to be replaced, but yeah, the back seats are nice, so it should be a pretty good place to ride. Honestly, you can't really see what's going on the screen, so I don't know how good you can do changing the temperature, but you change the temperature back here. So, maybe not. I don't know. I don't know what that means. Oh yeah, we're gonna yeah, we're gonna have to figure out how all this stuff works, I guess. But it looks good from the back, so I'm pleased with that, I suppose. I'm gonna turn the car off. I don't know how much gas is in it. I think it has some gas, but yeah, it is a decent amount of gas. I can't drive the car yet because I think all the auto tag places are closed. It's like 7:30 probably. So, I mean, I guess I could like rush over to one, but I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow and go to the one that I know. And we are gonna take care of that car tomorrow. Getting the title registered correctly and everything, getting the car registered. But yeah, I mean, look, that's most of the damage on this car is in the front, so I'm not too concerned with it. I'm happy with the purchase. I think for $9,500 it was a good buy. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope it wasn't too boring. I also just think it's funny I bought the cheapest Bentley in the country again. I still haven't really driven this one. So, if you like the video, stay tuned. Gonna be doing other shit with the Bentleys. Gonna be doing shit with my car. Hope you enjoyed.